Namaste. Today, I want to talk about vision boards and answer three main questions. What is a vision board? How do you make it? And how can it serve you? Many of you might have already heard about or even made your own vision boards. They are a collection of photos, quotes, and images that visualize the goals you want to accomplish, the vision you have for your life. You can either make a digital vision board on your computer or a physical vision board, cutting out images and pasting them together. Now, before you jump into looking for the right photos, I highly recommend that you write down your goals first, being as specific as possible. So if one of the goals for your vision board is to travel more, actually make a list of all the countries and places you want to visit next. Otherwise, if we skip this step, we can get easily distracted by all the images that are available, and we might end up with a bunch of pictures that are beautiful, but don't really mean that much to us personally. So, write down your goals, being detailed and specific, and then you can go and find your photos. You can look for images in magazines, but generally it's much easier to find the right photos online. You want to find them, collect them, print them, cut them out, and then it's time to assemble. You can use a foam board, a cork board, or any kind of board to put down your photos. You want to play around a bit with the alignment until everything fits perfectly, and then you can glue or tape on your photos so they stay in place. Finally, all you have to do is place your vision board somewhere where you can see it every single day. This is key, because that's the power of a vision board. Every time you walk past, your subconscious will be reminded of the goals you put on that board. And you will start aligning your daily actions to match those goals. Now, you can put goals from every area of your life on your vision board. Career goals, financial goals, family, travel, health, education, everything that is really important to you. But of course, for the sake of today's video, we want to talk about yoga and how this vision board can serve you on your yoga journey. There are many different things related to your practice that you can strive for and thus put on your vision board. Maybe you have strength or mobility and flexibility related goals. Maybe there are certain postures, certain asanas you would like to learn. Maybe you want to start meditating more. You can find pictures, photos, or quotes for all of this. Maybe there is a certain yogi who really inspires you. You can find quotes from them. Maybe you just want to visualize a feeling that yoga gives you, like peace or happiness. Maybe you dream of going on a retreat or doing a yoga teacher training one day. All of these things can find a place on your vision board. Of course, and I think this goes without saying, your goals, dreams, and visions won't come true just because you put them on a vision board. If it was that easy, we'd all be millionaires by now. But this vision board can inspire you to start taking action. It can be your reminder and your inspiration. But you have to put in the work. You have to show up for your practice every day. You have to do the postures you want to learn, even though it's easier to do the ones you already know and can do with ease. You have to cultivate what you want to bring into your life. I also want to mention that this vision board is definitely a source of inspiration, not for comparison. Don't look at the pictures and compare yourself to the people you see, to their bodies, their yoga practice, their flexibility, their perceived level of happiness. Don't look at these pictures and beat yourself up for not being there yet. Instead, use them solely as inspiration, as reminders, and as guides to where you want to be. That is really important, that you have the right mindset for using this vision board. And then look at it every single day. And maybe even spend a few minutes from time to time really visualizing what you want your life and your yoga practice to look and feel like. That's all I have for you today. Let's do a quick recap. How do you make your vision board? First of all, clearly state your goals. Next, find the right pictures. Look at the details and only choose the ones that truly align with what you want. Then it's time to assemble and place your vision board somewhere where you can see it every day. And of course, allow yourself to be inspired into taking action. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the effort if you want your visions to come to life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.